This is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, in order to do that, we will need to download the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let me do exactly that. So just open up the Play Store, type in the Caffeine at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which will take just a fraction of a second, as you can see. After that, launch the app, make sure that the set value for the timeout option is infinite, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, not to turn it off, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.